Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Actor CV Layout Pack that I think you're going to love. This free Actor CV Layout Pack has everything an inspiring actor or actress needs to get a gorgeous CV or resume site up and running in no time. The pack comes with a dedicated resume page for showcasing work experience and a gallery page for those beautiful headshots. It even has great looking sections for acting reel video highlights. The layouts are completely unique and designed to impress, so check it out and take it for a spin today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can access pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go over to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab, enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Now you should have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. The next step is to start creating your new pages and then adding your corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To add your first page, go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll until you find the Actor CV Layout Pack, and then click on it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack over here on the right. Simply select the one that you want, and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And of course, you're ready to edit this layout however you like using the Divi Builder. After that, you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages needed and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Once you're done, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to your menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize your menu elements however you like. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And as a final step, you'll probably want to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page that you created with the home page pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Actor CV Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new Layout Pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.